Hello and welcome to part 2 of Cloudwatch Hands-on Lab. In this lab, we will create a Cloudwatch event to respond to a change in state of our EC2 instance. In the previous lab session, we had created this EC2 instance, and then when Cloudwatch alarm was in alarm state, it stopped this EC2 instance. What we will do now is we will start this EC2 instance, and Cloudwatch event will respond to this change in state of EC2 instance, and it will send a notification, an email to our email address. For that, we will create an SNS topic, and our email address will be a subscriber to that SNS topic, which is simple notification service topic. Now, so essentially what happens is Cloudwatch event sends notification to SNS, and SNS topic then sends the email, because the configuration is there that the SNS topic will send the email to the subscriber of that topic, which in this case is going to be our email address. So let us first start with creation of this SNS topic. Okay. Let us give it a name. My first topic. Standard. And I don't think there's anything else that we need to do. Create topic. So topic is created. We need a subscriber to this topic, because when this SNS topic will receive notification, in this case, from Cloudwatch event, to whom will this SNS topic forward the notification to? So for that, let us create the subscription. Okay. We will send an email. There's various different ways of sending notification. So we will send an email, and the endpoint is our email address, teacher amitk@gmail.com. All right. Create subscription. And we are done. We need to confirm the subscription because we should have received an email. Let us refresh. Okay. So confirmed the subscription. Done. Subscription confirmed. Topic. Subscription. It is confirmed. Now, in Cloudwatch, let us click on events, and we need to create a rule. Okay. Rules. Create rule. Now we can create this rule to respond to an event pattern or a schedule. So we will go for event pattern, and the service name is EC2. And event type is EC2 instance state change notification. So do we need the notification to be sent when the change in state is any state or a specific state? So let's go by specific state when it is running, from stop to running. Okay. Any instance, we can do any instance, but if you want to be more specific, then this is the instance ID. Okay. Now this is the event pattern preview. It is important, but if we were going through a deep dive of Cloudwatch events, so which is not what we're doing, we're just trying to learn these services so that when we do different labs for DevOps workflows, we can understand what is happening. Okay. Add target. So when this event is that EC2 instance changes the state to running this EC2 instance, then add a target, which is SNS topic, and the topic is my first topic. Okay. Configure details. Name is my first event. Create rule. So the event has been created. Now let us trigger the event by starting our EC2 instance. Okay. So instance state, start instance. So the expectation is when instance is in start running status, the notification, the CloudWatch event here, this sends notification to this SNS topic, which has a subscription. This email address is the subscriber and it should get the notification. Okay. So all eyes on EC2 instance. It is in running state already. Okay. So this is the notification. All right. EC2 instance state change notification, source AWS EC2, and all the other details. Wonderful. So we have achieved the workflow of CloudWatch events, wherein we created this CloudWatch event to listen to a state change of this EC2 instance. And when it is in running state, then it sends a notification to this SNS topic, which sends email to this subscriber. Wonderful. So thank you and looking forward to seeing you in the next session.